Yo, Saturday, September 27th. Get my radio newsman voice out. All right, check out AMPY. AMPY, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 910 391 the algo. There it is. And where's it go? To seven. So 4 to 7. Great run. Now you look at this chart, energy company, this has been falling for a while, big time. August, January 2025, all the way on to April. You start to make the run up. April, Trump tariffs, we bottom. This is grinding back and forth in a very tight range, high and low. Now you have deep moves here. Deep moves, that is going to be a buy here. Go up, sell, another buy here. Not as great. Buy here, nice little quick move. A little crossover again. Here's another deep move. Look at the deep moves all win. Right here to crossover 910. That's where the algo was. And you go off to the races for a big 55% move. Weekly chart. You see now, look at this. So relatively new back in 2017. Not that new, but yeah, was it 8 years now? It has been around like 10, 15, 20 years, but it has been around. 22 goes all the way down to like 54 cents. It's at 5 years, 3 years. And then you make a climb 2020, 21, 22, all the way up to 10. And that looks like the spot here that could be trouble. I mean, could this run to 10? That would be great. You'd have major resistance. And then you come down, this fades all the way back down to 226. Monthly chart, clearly see the rundown. Look at this. And then you climb up. Years you climb up. 21, 22, 23. Then you fade it a few years. Now you do have a crossover. You see 24. Went back down. 25. You go back up. And you're fully crossed now. So, this is the monthly. I think there's more room to run in this. It could get pullbacks. And the quarterly from 20, look at this move all the way up to 23. And then we came back and now it's turning sideways. That's a very good sign. Looks like it wants to cross and go up further. Yeah, I would look for 8 to 10 and see if we can get there. All right. FinViz, 245 million. Income 14 million. Sales 279 million. Float 32 million. Insiders own 19%. Institutions 46%. You can see the last year it's been pretty good. 5 years, 622%. And what to do? Energy. Amplify Energy Corp is an independent oil and natural gas company which engages in acquisition, development, exploration, and production of oil and natural gas properties. Focuses on Oklahoma, Rockies, Southern California, East Texas, North Louisiana, Eagle Ford. Founded 2011, headquartered in Houston, Texas. It's been around a while. Any news recently? No, they had results, financial results, August 19th. Anything else? Earnings snapshot. CEO shakeup, asset sales and amplify energy soaring. Maybe they get rid of their CEO here. This is back in May. All right, reading, see what people are saying about this. Well, it's range Monday. It will push it through the roof. Excellent to listen to, bullish. Watch for volumes, psychological breakouts. Strong, watch these. So, everyone's kind of on this. And that's why in trading, you want to get low. Simple as buy low, sell high, and short high and cover low. Like simplicity. But it gets harder when you're trading a monthly. Yeah, I could sit on the stock for months and months and months, but you want to make quicker money shorter term. And that's the tough, part of it. Anyone can put something in monthly and sit on it, like sit on it here in 21, wait years. You don't want to wait years. I want to make like, to trade in a few months, like 12,000, 10,000. And let's see the weekly here. All right, so the weekly big drop. See April coming up 6. You can see a lot of resistance 7, 8, and then 9, 10 here. So we'll see how this plays out. It's been on a big run here. See the 4-hour. Yeah, the 4-hour is pulling back. You had a big shooting star. Now, will this pull back deeper? We'll watch that. But overall, again, doing these charts to see where the algo is picking these up, and 80%, I would say, 70, 80, sometimes 90, it's picking these up, right? And to me, that's going to be a sell. And then we'll see. Now, who knows? Maybe it'll come up green Monday. You don't know. But the run from here to here, that's a sell. That's how you're playing it low to high. So 55% on AMPY, oil and gas, big run. Algo picking it up very low. That's how you win. And then you sell here for big profit. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gaiman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. That's it. Any comments on these stocks? Any questions? Feel free. Check me out on all social media. Trying to pump up my social media. Peace.